In this lesson, we will see together les indéfinis, but more precisely, jamais. So, of course, the question is, what are les indéfinis? So let's try to see that together. Indefinite words in French are used to refer to non-specific or unspecified people, things, or quantities. So this is the first point. Second point that is extremely important. They often express concepts like quantity, frequency, or degree without specifying exact details. And this is a key thing with les indéfinis. You don't specify exact details. And the last point, they play a crucial role in constructing sentences that refer to indefinite or unspecified concept. So clearly, if you don't really want to be specific, you will have to know and master les indéfinis. In this lesson, we will see jamais, and the indefinite jamais can be translated to never or not ever in English. So we'll see 4 examples. Je n'ai jamais visité ce pays. Je n'ai jamais visité ce pays. Il ne mange jamais de viande. Il ne mange jamais de viande. Elle n'a jamais rencontré cette personne auparavant. Elle n'a jamais rencontré cette personne auparavant. Jamais je n'oublierai ce moment. Jamais je n'oublierai ce moment.